Time to make some butter. You gotta channel your shake weight energy. Oh, I need better arms. Oh, there you go, turn it into whipped cream. Just gonna break through. Oh, good grief, what's going on here? Oh, it's raining all right. Would this be faster in Blender? Maybe. This chair's bouncy, I don't know if that's helping or not. This is a relaxing day. I wanted butter for my muffin, and I was too lazy to take 5 minutes to go to the store, so now I'm doing it the hard way. Oh yeah, I'm gonna fast forward like 90% of this. Good gravy. Should put something in there. It's like an agitator, like a sterilized coin or something. You know what, I'm gonna do that. Okay, we're back. Sterilized agitator in, let's go. Man, this is way better. Way easier. I'm gonna use my blender, although blender was hard to remove. We shall survive. Okay, had to take a break. We're getting close. Oh, that sounds good. What do we got? Oh yeah, buttermilk. All right, time to drain this. All right, let's see if, yeah, there we go. Isn't that great? Wow. I don't know how much that is. I'll weigh it. But I turned a cup of heavy cream into this much butter. That's a decent amount. That'll last me a couple days. Is it cheaper than just buying it? No. But, you know, it's tasty.